in a separate media report, you talked about how the journey to becoming the CLRV, Common Legal Representative for the Victims, was long and arduous. Talk us through about that a little bit. Tsaka, what did you think when Defense Counsel Nicholas Kaufman tried to get you kicked out as the victim's counsel, saying that there's conflict of interest?
The journey is long, because my NGO, Center Law, we've been handling, the cases here in the Philippines on the war on drugs since 2016, In fact, we even filed amparo petitions before the Supreme Court. And fortunately, in 2017, the CA actually granted the first privilege on the writ of amparo with respect to the war on drugs, and even suspended the Oplan Tokhang for our petitioners. And actually, with respect to the defense submissions on disqualifying us, I just refer to the Muhammad Ali strategy, it's just roll with the punches. So, yun lang pong ginawa namin. We filed our own response to it. And we really hope that the pretrial chamber will actually dismiss it, which was also the case. Na-dismiss naman po siya ng pretrial chamber. Wala namang conflict of interest. And we proceeded to confirmation of charges hearing. Kaya with the punches lang ang aming strategy dyan.
Together with that roll with the punches, kamusta ba ang mga threats sa inyo?
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to laugh.
Wala namang explicit threat, but we always presume that. And I've been taking high-profile cases since the Maguindanao Massacre case. So, pinapresume ko lang yun, kaya iba yung pag-iingat din. And of course, we adhere to the do no harm policy with respect to the victims. We will never name who are the admitted victims, because we want to protect their security and their privacy.
If this case...
Ano ko yung selection ng victims, kasi nung binanggit yung Paruhinog, saka sila Espinosa, ang sabi ng iba, and not just the DDS, it could strengthen the defense of Duterte na actually, it's a part of law enforcement operations yung ginagawa nila within the constraints of the Philippine legal system. At talaga naman daw na establish na mga drug dealer yung mga. In fact, si Kerwin Espinosa, umamin siya na drug dealer talaga siya. At kasama yung tatay niya. I mean, ang sabi nung iba, it might weaken the case and might strengthen the defense of Duterte na yung operations nila as part of regular law enforcement operations. What do you think of that comment?
Actually, from my legal analysis of the 3 counts, I think that the prosecution included yung count 2, which is the high targets. Kasi part siya ng Oplan Double Barrel, yung CMC 16-2016, which was issued by the NPNP Chief De La Rosa, and which was actually the legal framework for the war on drugs. Kaya I think include yun kasi consistent lang yun dun sa CMC. May high-value targets at meron din yung barangay clearance operations, which is Oplan Tokhang. Kaya I think logic lang po yung ginamit po ng prosecution. And I really think also include yung count 1, which is the Davao killings during the payroll period. Kasi logical lang yun. Nag-start ang modus operandi ni Mr. Duterte on EJ case against supposed suspects sa Davao at in-implement niya nationally when he became president.
I'm guessing, attorney, that you've prepared for all possible scenarios after this confirmation of charges hearing. If the pretrial chamber tosses the case out, what are you planning to do? Are we appealing? May appeal process ba?
Well, I don't really want to deal with that hypothetical because in fact during the confirmation of charges hearing, in our closing statement that I delivered, I said that the defense did not actually did not weaken the presentation of the prosecution, and there's substantial grounds to believe that they should proceed to trial. Now, let's say there's a something that will need an appeal. Actually, an appeal is not direct, because it needs to have leave of court. Kailangan po siyang aprubahan ng pretrial chamber. Kaya any appeal is with leave of court. Kailangan po ng step na ganyan. Hindi po siya direct po, But it also goes for the defense. If all of the charges are confirmed, and we really hope all of the 3 charges are confirmed, the defense appeal will not be direct. It will have to muster leave of court.
Attorney, kung sakaling lumabas next week yung decision ng pre-trial chamber na ang decision ay to proceed to the formal trial, gaano katagal yon bago magsimula yung formal trial?
Okay, that's a good question, Ronald. If ever there's a pretrial chamber confirmation of the counts, then it will take at least, I'm saying this, at least 6 months po bago magkaroon ng trial. Now, it can be 6 months, it can be 1.5 years. Bakit? Kailangan po ng preparation na tinatawag, in order for the trial proper to occur. At marami pong mga steps within that preparation for trial. So, baka last quarter at the earliest of this year, at the earliest, October po, or the latest po, next year po, ang trial proper, if ever ma-confirm po yung counts against Mr. Duterte.
You don't have to answer this question, attorney, pero
But
6
I'll
years,
ask it anyway.
6 years to 1.5 years, ibig bang sabihin yan na
6 months to 1.5
6
years.
months to
6 months,
1.5 years bago magsimula? Ibig bang sabihin yan ay tuloy ang sahod ni Kaufman?
But
Yan. Kaso kay Mr. Duterte na yan.
as he said,
Kasi
you don't have to answer it.
lawyer na yan.
Interested lang siguro yung maraming tao.
Ikaw talaga.
Hindi, di ba? Wala.
Attorney, yung charges ba, they have to all be confirmed? Paano kung hindi lahat siya ma-confirm?
Oo, hindi naman kailangan, na all of the 3 counts, they don't have to be confirmed. But from my analysis, all of the 3 counts are actually interconnected. Kaya, yun po yung hope namin that all of the 3 counts will be confirmed.
Kahit hindi ma-confirm lahat, pwedeng tumuloy sa trial.
Yes, kahit hindi ma-confirm lahat. Kahit isang count lang, it can proceed to trial.
Okay, calculate mo na.
Okay. Oh.
Nagka-calculate ko.
6 months, 6 months to 1.5 years is a
Malaki yun.
long time, attorney, We were under the impression, and this is, we've been talking to a lot of people connected to this case, and one of them was former Senator Trillanes, who, said at one point that potentially even by, was it May? Pwede na mag-start. But you're saying that's not the case. There needs to be at least 6 months.
Well, I'm just basing this on the previous practice
Cases, yeah.
and precedents in the chambers concerned, na talagang it takes at least 6 months to 1.5 years po to prepare for trial proper.
Usually kasi yung mga cases sa ICC, 7 to 8 years siya.
Yes, correct. Yeah.
Mahaba yan.
From start to finish, from start to conviction.
Because remember, there will also be a disclosure proceedings, just what happened in the pretrial setting. So, mangyayari po ulit yan.
7 to 8 years, mag-calculate ka na naman yan.
Paano ako eh.
Pag pumayag na to go to
nakulong
trial,
na ako
pwede
ng
pa rin
by that
i-appeal
time.
yun, di ba? How many appeals bago ma-final decision?
Okay, kung meron man pong may umalma sa decision ng pretrial chamber, pwede pong mag-appeal, but it's with leave of court. It's with leave. Kailangan po aprubahan ng pretrial chamber. Hindi po siya pwedeng i-direct lang sa appeals chamber po.
Okay. How many times pwedeng gawin yon?
Once lang po. And in fact, it's the pretrial chamber which will actually grant any leave to appeal.
So the pretrial chamber can refuse a petition to appeal.
An appeal.
That is addressed to the other court.
Yes, you're right on that, Ed. The the pretrial chamber can actually deny any leave to appeal.
Gaano katagal yung process na yun kung sakasakali na in-approve na yung going to trial, tapos mag-a-appeal at magdi-deny? Gaano katagal yan? Mga 3 buwan din ba yan or normally?
Well, maybe siguro it can be 2 months, oo.
2 months pa.
Pwedeng 1 month, pero kung mag-grant yung appeal, yung leave to appeal, di another process naman before the appeals chamber. Siguro 3 months more or less yung
3
process.
months.
And
But
how many
what
appeals
that's
can you make?
continuing, kung matuloy nga sa trial proper, nagko-continue din yung process for the preparation for trial.
And how many
Tagal,
appeals can you
no?
make? Kasi, di ba, may appeal, may motion for reconsideration.
Yeah. Oo nga, yun ang iniisip ko eh. Parang sa Pilipinas.
Hindi, dyan
Tatlong appeal, di ba? Tatlong appeal dito eh.
Oh,
Parang,
yes, sir.
Di ba?
How many appeals nga can you make? If that's the right word for it. Kasi, di ba, may MR, may appeal, may ano.
Dito one appeal lang, dito one appeal lang. Wala na pong MR.
Walang, di katulad here, you can appeal 3 times. Attorney, just out of curiosity, do you find out the same time as us when they publicize it, or do you get an advance, or do you get told beforehand?
Okay, since we are participants, counsels for the victim participants, we have access to it, but it's confidential. But there's a publicly redacted version,
Yes,
which is
oh.
filed later on, So we actually have access even before the public has access to the publicly redacted version.
So of course, titimbrehan nyo kami, right? I'm just,
Oo.
Actually, ang problema lang nito, meron kaming confidentiality duty.
Yep.
So kung nakalagay po,
Hindi ka naman namin isa
Hindi naman sasabihin galing sa iyo eh.
Bulong lang, bulong.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Pero 8
Sabi namin
years
si
from
Ronald
now,
source namin.
ano na kaya sitwasyon ng Pilipinas nun?
Yeah.
8 years from now.
I don't know.
Ha?
Hopefully, wala ng oil crisis.
Baka may clone na si Manny Mugato nun.
But just broadly, attorney, how confident are you that, of course, that this will go your way?
well, we're confident. We stated it during the closing statements that I made. Kasi klaro naman dun sa naging presentation po ng prosecution. Kasi yung Exhibit A talaga ay yung mga statements ni Mr. Duterte himself.
Although the defense is arguing that
The hyperbole.
yung connection,
Out of context daw, oo.
the linkages to
Actually, I also rebutted that during my closing statement. Kasi sa context of Philippines, the president is the chief executive, and whatever he says, it's policy. And in fact, may cultural context din na in-argue ko,
Yeah.
na pag sinabi ng presidente yan, dapat sundin.
yeah.
Pero-
we do know we did cover that your
Kailangan
closing
nila-
arguments.
Kailangan nila